A month ago, I was sitting in New York with a friend talking about AI and trading. He made this point. Most people think AI can do this much, but in reality, AI can only do this much. At the end of the time, I agreed with him. But the deeper I got into building Trade Factory AI, the more I think it's actually the opposite. Most people think AI can only do this much, but AI can actually do this much. The difference is not magic. The difference is the system. Most people use AI like a chatbot. But when you start building agents, orchestrators, memory, APIs, market data feeds, and news feeds, you realize something. You're not just asking AI questions anymore. You're building something that can watch the market with you. Here's the problem every retailer knows. You're watching the market, it's kind of choppy, nothing's really happening. You might put on a starter position because you might think something might happen. You're just watching. Nothing's really happening. All of a sudden, QQQ suddenly spikes $2 on huge volume. You see the candle, you see the volume, you know something happened, but you don't know what. You wait for the squawk. 10 seconds go by, 20 seconds, 30 seconds. By the time you hear the news, if you hear the news, the move already happened. And if you chase it, a lot of times you buy the top right before it fades. I know I did for 2 years. I'm seasoned now, but in the beginning, I lost a lot of money because of those moves. That used to happen to me. Now the idea is different. What if instead of an algo instantly buying the news, we built something that instantly explains the news? Big difference. The system watches QQQ, SPY, IWM, and major sector ETFs in real time. The moment price spikes with volume hitting 1.8 times the 20-minute average, it fires. 2 news sources, cross-check in under 2 seconds. The AI returns a 20-word voice verdict in under 4 seconds. And it remembers how this exact type of catalyst played out the last 47 times. A flash mode trading assistant. It sees the price spike, it sees the volume spike, it checks the news, it tells you what happened. Then it walks you through the trade, not with generic advice, with your playbook, your trades, your reviews, your setups, your data. Because Trade Factory AI is not being built to find random trades, it is being built to find the trades you trade best. That's the power of building a foundation first. The AI studies the price actions, it studies the news catalysts, but more importantly, it studies you through your daily report cards, your trade reviews, your playbooks, all stored, structured, and continuously analyzed. Trade Factory AI isn't just reacting to the current chart, it's analyzing patterns across time. Every catalyst type, every market structure, how price behaved on FOMC days, CPI prints, earnings surprises, social media posts. We've all been there. 47 similar spikes, cross-referenced in milliseconds, not generic history, your history. So when a spike happens now, I'm not just reacting, it's comparing. Has this type of move continued before? Did it fade? Did it hold? What happened next historically? That's the difference between reacting and understanding. And this is why I think most people are underestimating AI. Not because AI is perfect, but because when you combine AI with data, memory, structure, and the right prompts, you can start building tools that used to only exist at the institutional level. That's the mission of Trade Factory AI. Level the playing field, not by blindly automating trades, but by helping you see faster, think clearer, and stop chasing garbage moves. And here's a prompt you can test for yourself. There's the prompt. Let's see what happens. And here we have the blueprint. This is a demo, but it gives you an idea of what AI is capable of doing if you just sit down and you work with it. Because once you build something like this, you can make adjustments. I built a foundation, and from there I started creating all these other tools. Now, of course, mine is more intricate than this, but that's the difference. AI is not just a chatbot. AI is a factory, and we're just getting started.